Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Ember. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you three mobile apps that you can be using from your phone to be making as much as $3 to $5 per day. Now, these apps are actually free and they are right in your Play Store, so you don't even need any money to purchase them. So in today's video, I'll be showing you three of those apps. So if you know this type of content to be useful to you, or you're interested in watching this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you don't miss any type of content when I upload next. So without no further ado, let's get into the video. So now, the first app we are going to be using, that we are going to be talking about, is actually Cointiply. So what Cointiply actually does is that every single day you log into the application, you complete tasks like watching video, answering surveys, and basically spinning the wheel. Now, all these simple tasks you do actually earn you points, which you can actually withdraw as your earn in the month end. Like after some period of time, it's you can accumulate and you'll be able to withdraw it into your Bitcoin or Ethereum account. And this is actually good, and if you stay consistent, you can withdraw monthly. The second app we have here is Pound Apps. Now, this Pound Apps is a very nice app that's owned by a company, Pound. Now, what this app does is that it shares your internet connections. It shares your internet connection. You don't even have to do anything. So what you have to do is just go into the app, turn on the sharing button. If you see the sharing button there, when you turn it on, you'll be able to start sharing your connection. So you don't have to use anything like VPN. If not, it won't work. So when you share it, then it will start running in your background. You don't even have to do anything. They also have a section where you can watch videos and answer surveys to make extra income. But most people I know actually use the referral program, because the referral program is actually very high. I myself have used the referral program. I've shared it to some of my friends, and I've seen that it's actually increasing. Like the amount is actually increasing. I've tried withdrawing one from this app, like my Cointiply, all this other Cointiply I mentioned. I'm still accumulating. Hopefully, I'll withdraw and make a video about it. So the Palm app, that is just what you have to do to use it. I will link the link down in the comment section or in the description of this video so you can download it and try it out yourself. So the next app we are going to be using now, which I've mentioned the first one, Pounds app and Cointiply. The next one we are going to be using is Ember app. Now, this Ember is actually very, very nice because I myself have withdrawn once from it, which is very good. So here, this Ember app is actually a Bitcoin. It's a Bitcoin and cryptocurrency investment app. So you can actually learn, if you're interested in cryptocurrency, you can actually learn from this app. But that is not how we are going to be making money from this app. The thing that we are going to be doing is that there is actually a mining section which you can click on the mining button every 12 hours to mint BTC. Now, this is actually that ad. You just have to click on the app, register. Then after every 12 hours, you have to just go to your Ember app and click on the mining button. So which is not actually hard. It actually has a section that you can, when you register, you can spin. And to increase your mining speed, you actually have to refer more people, because the more people you refer, the more your BTC mean and the more money you accumulate. Now, this Ember app is not like all these other mining apps that you mean and you have to wait till the app launches before you use this one. If you accumulate enough of money, because it could actually range in dollar, if you are able to accumulate a lot before the end of the month, you'll be able to withdraw it. So this Ember app actually have a game section that you can play to earn, and it has a survey section too. So if you're interested in those type of apps, don't forget to check down the comment section or the description box so that you see it. I'm actually a new YouTuber and I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. So you know this type of video is very nice for you, this is the type of thing you like to be watching, or this is the type of thing that you're interested in, don't forget to share this video to your friends. Give them so that they will start using these 3 apps. Share the video to your family, your loved ones, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so when next I post you won't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace.